Right. So as part of our business analyst in cloud environment itself is concerned today, we must be knowing about the source architecture, because yesterday, if you remember, I discussed about cloud architecture, what cloud architecture is all about, and how this cloud architecture functions. That's what something that we covered in the yesterday session. Now I'm discussing about the source architecture, which majorly contains the CRUD model for both command and as well as query interfaces in one application. Because whatever the kind of code that we see uh, along with any customer DAO.cs which is attached here. So there are different technology stack generally we see, especially on this architecture part. Being a BA, from the technical understanding point of view, this is not something that we must be knowing. So when it comes to the technology stack is concerned, as from the technical BA, business analyst in the cloud environment, full stack BA I'm referring to. Okay, if you are learning a full stack business analyst, on the cloud environment, okay, on the cloud environment, if you see, technology stack is something that we must be good with, right? So technology stack, we must have that idea over the technology stack. So this technology stack consists of multiple things. Yeah, technology stack consists of multiple things. One is about Amazon DynamoDB. Second is called Amazon DynamoDB streams. Next is called AWS Lambda. Next one is called as AWS Lambda. Next, there were some optionals we have, right? So because some optional, something like Amazon API gateway. This is optional regarding when we are working on integration projects, this is being used. At the same time, we have one more, which is called Amazon simple notification, because if there is any notifications that we need to be provided, even this also notification services will also be used. So these two are optional, which is called Amazon Essence. Okay, this is what generally we call it as Amazon Essence. Right. So Amazon, these two are optional. API gateway and Amazon simple notification services are optional. But which are mandatory is Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon DynamoDB streams, followed by AWS Lambda are the mandatory thing, especially when we are using the technical architecture. When it comes to the target architecture itself is concerned, whatever the commands and as well as query interfaces that are separated, the architecture majorly uh, flows something which can be extended with the API gateway and as well as Amazon SNS. So for that, we require to use some command lambda functions which perform, and how to write these operators, right? So how to create, update or delete our database. Next, when it comes to the query lambdas are concerned, what are the functionalities that we are performing for read operations, such as get or select on the databases, followed by lambda functions if there is any kind of query databases we have and all. So for that, what are the different tools that we are going to use, all that stuff that we are going to discuss in the next session.